All right, there are different ways that you can muscle test, but I'm going to show you the ring method because this is the way that I muscle test and it works the best for me. So you're going to just take your fingers, make two little rings, and then one of your hands is going to interlock like this, okay? And then you're going to have it that one of these is going to be the finger that disconnects. So for me, I like to use my right hand as my one that's going to disconnect or stay, okay? So then the methodology behind this is I'm going to ask her yes or no questions. So if I say my name is Amy, I want to see that this stays. Just a little bit of resistance as you pull it apart and it will stay together. But if I say my name is Sarah, I should be able to slightly pull it apart. Now, practice makes perfect, and don't get stuck in this because I actually had to clear some energy around why muscle testing was so frustrating for me when I first started. Don't overdo it and try not to think about it. So walking around asking yourself yes or no questions is a great way to practice. And if you get the no or you get the yes, it's just a slight subtle difference. So give it a try and just know that practice makes perfect, and don't let yourself get frustrated.